if you bought the RGB light or RGB number or any kind of RGB lighting without knowing which wire is for RGB and positive, now here's the way. I have marked these wires for 1, 2, 3, 4, and here this is the power supply we are going to use, and this is the RGB controller. This is the remote control. Okay, here I have connected this power supply to power. This is the plug for input. This is the output. Output have the positive and negative wire. Normally they are 12 voltage. Here, this wire is positive. The white wire is for negative. Okay. We firstly without using this LED controller, just find out which wire is for the positive wire. We need first to find the positive wire of the which connect to this positive port. So let's have a test one by one. First, okay, I will use this positive wire connect the number 4 first. And the negative wire, I will first connect the number 3. Okay, you can see this light is not lighted, so move to the number 2. Number 2 is also not light. Okay, number 1 not light. Okay, switch the positive to number 3. Okay, number 3, and then the negative connect to 4. No light. 2, no light, and connect to the number 1, no light. Okay, switch until you switch to the until you find the connect the number 1, test positive to number 1, and then negative to number 2. Okay, you could see that this is lighted. Okay, and if you connect to the number 3, okay, it is blue, which means this number 3 is for B, for blue wire. If then we mark this number 3 B, and okay, we tested the 4. Okay, the number 4 is red. Okay, this we will mark this R, and the number 1 would be the green. The number 2 would be green, right? Okay, we will mark G. Okay, after we marked RGB, and the number 1 is the positive, right? Okay, we mark this V plus. Okay, take out this wire. Okay, now we have marked the RGB wire, right? And we find this RGB controller and connect them one by one. Okay, this V plus connect here. G here. R B Okay, now we have connected these wires to the RGB controller, right? And here from the controller, here we have also have one positive and negative. You connect this positive and the negative to the output of the power supply. So we will connect here. Okay, the light is up. Okay, now we are using this RGB controller to control it. Okay. Blue, yellow, purple, green. This one can dim the light. This is the model of the lighting.